US30 has dropped strongly yesterday, and US100 we traded with a moderate bullishness there. Yes, it failed to break below 12,880 and 12,800 zone. This is a very strong support zone for US100. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position we should take? How to make profit today? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into NASDAQ100, followed with Dow Jones. Let's start the day. And yes, the next update on NASDAQ 100 will be up before the US cash session. Do not miss that. Look at the hourly charts trying to create higher base, but look at this here. You can see multiple candles getting rejected. See, I have always maintained 12,900, 920 zone as a stronger resistance. So yet again today, if you see it trading beyond 12,920, go long for 12,950, 13,000. 13,000 is the height of the pivot or Bollinger Bands, and beyond that it is going to fly. So beyond 12,920, yes, you can go long for 12,950 and 13,020 levels. It is bearish on the directional movement. Stochastic is at bottom trying to move upwards. MACD has crossed over, and if you look at the RSI, this is also trading flat. On the 2 hour charts, it is giving you lower highs. The support there on the downside. See, yes, there is a fair bit of possibility 12,920 to 12,840, 12,830. In fact, 12,800 it can try to trade. So I will rather recommend you to avoid trading between 12,800 to 12,920 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. MACD is bearish on the 2 hour charts. RSI is also comfortable there. On the 3 hour charts, look at this. See, the resistance there at 12,900, 920 is strong. It is giving you lower lows, and it is an expanding triangle. Hence, you have to be cautious in between this. Rather, I will say, as I had confirmed, do not long anything till it is below 12,920. Do not short till it is about 12,800. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is bearish. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, similar is the observation there. The lows are done, it appears, and on the upside, see, it is signaling a reversal potentially, but we have to trade cautiously. Do not long anything till it is below 12,920. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. MACD is bearish, and if you look at the RSI is sloping downwards. Similarly, if you now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows. So, and yes, the resistance now at 12,900, 920 is strong. Only if it trades beyond 12,920, you can go long. Then expect 12,950, which is a fairly strong resistance, and beyond that it can rise. So how high it can rise? Can rise till towards 13,020 and 13,050, 60 levels. Only beyond 13,100 one can confirm that it is bullish. Only beyond 13,100 you can confirm that it is going to fly. Else you can expect this time it may give you a fairly strong red candle. So be cautious here. Rather, right now it is signaling a reversal on the upside. Else I would suggest to go short at 12,920, 12,950 levels, and do not keep your do not keep your shorts open about 12,950. So at 12,920 you can go short with the stop loss at 12,950, and you can expect it to drop. Directional movement is strongly bullish. It may try to converge. Stochastic is overbought, may look forward a downward move. MACD is overbought and trying to converge, and RSI is at top. So yes, till 12,920 I will not recommend you to long. Rather, you can go short at 12,920 with the stop loss at 12,950, and one can expect 12,850 and 12,800 is the first target. Below 12,800 there could be stronger drop on the US100. And remember, about 12,950 do not keep your shorts open, just keep a 30-point stop loss. And yes, you can take a long entry at 12,950 now. Beyond that, 1320 and 1350 levels should be achieved, and specifically be watchful of 1380 and 13,100. Beyond 13,100 it is going to fly. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 clearly taking a support at 32,400, at the same time giving you lower highs. Do not trade between 32,400 and 500. Very clear. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge. RSI is at bottom. And similarly, if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, lower highs are given, lower lows are given, but 32,400 proving it to be a very strong resistance. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD is bearish. On the 3 hour charts, similar is the observation. Only long entry is above 32,500, only short entry is below 32,400. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic is again coming towards oversold levels. MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, look at this diminishing candle size. So candle size is reducing, however, until it's below, see, even if it tries to go about 32,500, you have to be watchful of 32,550 and 32,600 levels. Confirmed bullishness is only above if it trades 32,600 levels, that is a confirmed bullishness. But yes, you can go long at 32,500. Stochastic is looking downwards, though it is already at bottom. MACD is white divergent and bearish. RSI is trading flat. And similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, 32,400 it is giving the support. 32,500 may provide it a. So in between 32,400 and 500, do not trade. Below 32,400, thus you can expect 32,250 is a very strong support level. 100 and 200 period moving average coming together here. Below 32,250, it can strongly drop for 32,150 and 32,000 levels. The next support is in fact at around 31,800 levels. So yes, be watchful between 32,400 and 500. Above 32,500, you can initiate a long entry. Expect for 32,550, 600. And yes, once it trades above 32,600, next target is directly to 32,700 levels. Remember, 32,700 was previously good support. Now it is going to be good resistance. So on the upside, be watchful of 32,700. On the downside, be watchful of 32,400. And yes, do not trade between 32,400 and 500. Largely, you should wait for 32,250, and on the upside 32,700. These two levels on the upside and downside, breaking either way, should signal a good movement on either sides. Now, how high it can go, even if it tries to rise, see, again on this channel, 32,700 should prove out to be a good resistance. So take your trade accordingly. Do not long till 32,500. Do not short till 32,400. In between these 100 points, just watch. Above and below, you can take your positions, but largely 32,250 and 32,700. This is a large swing zone, and hence you have to keep or take profits, keep booking your profits accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.